The property system in Spacio can look confusing at first, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture. Let's start with the hierarchy. Spacio's hierarchy works like a data tree, a series of one-way gates where instructions flow in one direction, not the other. The specificity of any object depends on its placement on the tree. The lower an object sits, the higher its specificity. Let's see what happens when we change the category of a plot from residential to commercial through the Properties panel. Click the plot, open Properties, head to the Space tab, change residential to commercial. Take note of the reset buttons on the right. As you can see, all the buildings on the plot have now changed from residential to commercial. Here's how that change looks on the data tree. When you make a change higher up on the tree, the same change cascades to every item further down. So because we changed the plot's category, every underlying object, every building, every story picked up the same change automatically. Now, let's change the category of a story across multiple buildings to office spaces. Here's how that looks on the data tree. Because stories sit further down on the tree, the changes we make here override the ones higher up. Now let's say I want to change everything back to residential. If I reset the plot's category back to residential, this is what happens. Notice how the stories I changed to office earlier weren't affected by the plot's reset. That's because stories sit further down on the tree, higher specificity than items further up. To quickly reset properties from items lower in the data tree, without manually finding each one, use the Reset Downstream button. It removes the property overrides we set earlier on the stories. And this works for any property in the panel, not just categories. Start designing for free at spacio.ai.